My favourite spot would have to be Miljet, just because the national park was amazing. I've never seen a lake that colour, and the national park, the trees, the pine trees around it, just made it.
My favourite spot is Croatia. The day consisted of the buggies and just going through an absolutely beautiful setting and boat ride, cruise, sunset, good food, good people, good wines. Just can't say enough about it, really.
I have done a lot of trips and cruises like that, and the question which is the best place, it's really difficult for me. But if I would say Mljet, because it's simply gorgeous place.
My favorite place is my town, Split. I like in Split, in my house in Split. But favorite place, in romantic place, is very old town Dubrovnik. For the guest is extra favorite in Croatia.